Hi guys, in this video we'll be discussing how to resolve the CapCut couldn't load issue. So stay tuned for some helpful tips and tricks to get your CapCut back on track. Now let's dive in. So this problem might pop up due to a few reasons. So first off, just check your internet connection because if it's shaky, that could be the culprit. So make sure you're hooked up to a solid connection. Next is give your CapCut app a check. You need to ensure that it's updated to the latest version, and if not, just head to your App Store, whether it's Apple App Store or Google Play, and grab that update if available. Now, if the issue persists, it might be worth clearing the cache on your CapCut app. Just go into your phone settings, find the app, and clear that cache. It's like giving it a fresh restart. Now, if you're using an iPhone, just simply offload the app and then reinstall it. And lastly, if all else fails, a good old device restart can do wonders. It's like a mini reset that often sorts out random glitches, so you might give it a try. So, in a nutshell, check your internet, update CapCut, clear its cache if needed, and don't forget the classic restart. And that's it. Just follow these simple steps to fix the CapCut couldn't load issue. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.